Hey everyone, Josh with Alliance with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'll be showing you a part 2 video in addition to our one from last week, showing you the SAS safe angle system on any of our pumps 47 meters or bigger. So first things first, let's get familiar with the system. So there are times where an operator on a job site may not be able to set up all 4 of their outriggers fully, as they might be in a tight location. Our SAS safe angle system ensures safe operation of your boom off either the driver's side left side of the truck or the right side passenger side of the truck within a certain working zone. So first things first, let's get familiar with the system. Over here we're on the passenger side of our pump, right hand side. We are in the passenger side cabinet, and as you can see here, we've got our safe angle system control box. And printed on the box here, you can see the different zones that we can work off of. We got 1 left, 2 left, 1 right, and 2 right. Now let's head over to the other side of the truck. So we're up here on the driver's side, left-hand side of the truck, near the turret right here. And as you can see here, mounted on the ring gear cover, we've got an amber beacon light and a blue buzzer right here. These work in conjunction with the SAS system. If I step back a little bit, you'll see 5 limit switches on the ring gear cover. 4 of them are used by the SAS system, and the one up front there is your slew limit switch. So over back in the passenger side cabinet of the truck, we've got our SAS safe angle system box. As I mentioned before, we got 4 different working zones on here, and right here you will see a steel line with the keys to operate the box. When the system is not in use, we recommend that you do not leave these keys in their slots, as they may become loose. For this demonstration today, last week's video I showed you how to operate in 1L or 1R. This week I'll be showing you how to operate in 2L or 2R. And for this demonstration specifically, we will be operating in 2L, so 2 left off the driver's side, left-hand side of the truck. Okay, so a few safety tips before we go ahead and lift the boom here. The minimum requirement for operating in zone 1, so 1L or 1R, off both the left and right-hand sides, is having both front and rear outriggers fully extended on the side you are working on, as well as the opposite side outriggers extended to a minimum of 12 inches or just past the side of the pump, and that's to prevent frame and locking mechanism damage. The minimum requirement for operating in zone 2, off both the front and rear outriggers, so 2L or 2R, is having the outriggers fully extended on the side you are working on, the first stage of your front outrigger on the opposite side fully extended and locked in place, as well as the rear outrigger on the opposite side extended to a minimum of 12 inches or just past the side of the pump, and that's to prevent frame and locking mechanism damage. So today we will be working in zone 2L off the driver's side of the truck. So over here on the passenger side of the truck, you can see that I've got the front outrigger here, first stage fully extended and locked and put down in place. And at the rear of the pump here, I've got the rear outrigger on the driver's side, right-hand side of the truck, extended just past the side to prevent frame and locking mechanism damage. And today, since we will be working off the driver's side, left-hand side of the truck in zone 2L, we have these side outriggers, both front and rear, fully extended and locked. So once you're confident with your setup of your truck and your outriggers, you've made sure everything's nice and level and you're set up properly for the zone that you are going to be working in, we'll go ahead and lift the boom to the side that we are working off of. So what we're going to do here is lift the boom as high as we'd like it to go, and we're going to slew just a little bit to the side that we are going to be working on, just so we're past the slew limit switch. Okay, so what we'll do next is head over to the passenger side cabinet and turn on the system. Okay, so now that we've got our boom slightly lifted and in our working zone, what we're going to do is today we will be working in zone 2L, so 2 left off the driver's side of the truck. So with the truck on and running, we'll go down here, flip this toggle switch to turn the system on. You see the green power light turn on there. You'll take one of these keys, go into this slot here, and turn it to 2L. And right away when you turn that on, you will see the amber beacon light on the ring gear cover flash, and you will hear this beeping. That is because the system enters a self-test mode, and you have to hit the slew limit switch to ensure the correct operation of the system before you safely work in it. So while using the SAS system, if at any point you do not see the amber beacon light flashing or hear the buzzer, either in self-test mode or during operation, please stop operating the boom and give us a call so we can sort that issue out. And if you're ever having any issues with the SAS system itself, please do not undo the connectors in the passenger side cabinet, as it will disable slewing function on your pump. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.